What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this is going to be our third time out. It's February 1st and it's like 3:45 in the afternoon. So we went out late today because we want to experience the night bite, because last time when we were out, fish started biting at around 5 o'clock in the afternoon or 5:30. So hopefully we can repeat that today. By the way, we are going to Selkirk via Sill Road again. I don't know if we're gonna stay on the same spot, but hopefully, you know, this day turns out well. And I'm just excited to you know, take you guys along with us. One Rod 204's birthday today, or actually yesterday, but we're gonna celebrate it today, going out. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for clicking on this video, and see you later.
Up that I've ever done, but what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
All good. We made it again, but this time we went on the left side instead of the right side. So hopefully this day turns out well. There's like 6 of us all together, including Aidan's eldest son. So stick around, guys. See you later. Hey, change outfit. We're done setting up. Sorry, my camera died, and yeah, this is what we have. Thank you for the light, and this is our setup as of the moment. And we have the 7-inch. So Papa Aidan is with me right now. Ang dami kong naiwan. I left a lot of stuff. My heater. My table. My goodness, I hate this day. Nangangamoy skunk ka.
Hindi ko kita po.
Hindi kaya dahil sa luma yung ano na. Ako akin na, malaki yung ano ko doon.
Luma yung pain natin.
Oo. Kasi pare, ilang beses ng ano to eh.
Ano? Butas kasi pag...
Ha?
Bakit hindi kita yung sa'yo? Yan lapit niyan. Bakit ito kita?
Huwag ka magulo! Hindi na nga mahuli eh.
Bakit nakakahuli?
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Puro lang kami ano.
Ba't ganun? Ba't di kayo nakahuli?
Ayun o. Wala na, lumayo na si Gago.
Hindi kayo makahuli. Ba't ganun?
Ayun na! Kinain na!
Wala.
Ano yun?
Tumama sa tali. Oh. Come on, man.
Yun nasa itaas ano?
Oh.
Uy! Ah, meron! Ay! Sumabit sa iyo.
Thank you po. Oh, walang kadala-dala kahit ano ka.
Saan sila Marlon may dala?
Huh?
Saan sila Marlon may dala?
Tonight is their night.
Hey man, how's it going?
Nothing. Alat.
Kahit ang brato namin ni Waki sa ano eh, muna eh.
Huwag kang magulo. Giniginaw na nga ako eh.
Why? Because there's a wolf?
Pag ilaw ko na ganyan, aba, may kumintag na ilaw na mata din. Ayun. Go inside, go inside. Go inside.
Ano yan?
Hanggang, pare hanggang.
Dan! Nasaan yun?
Ha?
Nasaan sila?
Good.
Yun! Yun!
Yun!
Ay!
Ano na?
Come on, man! Yun na nga na nakaramdam ng kagat eh. Yun naman. Huli ka. Hindi pa rin na-skunk. Pero gold eye ito. I feel it. It's gold eye. Yung isa rin. Hinila na! Hinila na! Ay! Ay! Ikaw na! Oh! Ano yun?
Magkasama sila.
No, meron ako isa. No, meron ako isa. Oh, yun oh.
Puro gold.
Ay, hindi!
Ano? Yun.
Na ano siya?
Sumabit.
Sumabi.
Gold eye.
Gold eye. Oh my goodness. Yun ang hindi maganda sa inyo eh. One. Ay!
Please. Kita ko ba din?
It's got one gold eye. These were not skunk. Okay. So that concludes our 5-hour trip here at Seal Road. There, Aidan and Mabin. Yeah. Okay. So one gold eye. The other tent they got, I don't know. I can't even count. But we're all good. Thank you very much for coming with us. See you on the next video. Peace. Uwi na. Uy, yung nagawa nyo dyan. Spihan nyo na.
Ilan din mo eh. Sabuli ka na. Diretso lang mo ba?
Hindi sila.
Muna ka na para makapalitan ka.